Hey guys, so just getting ready to head out to the Action Truck Cats Car Show with Atlantic National starting. So I'm actually going to head over and pick up my buddy Mike. He's got the 2009 Supercharged Challenger. I don't know if he's going to bring it or not, but anyways, we're going to go get him. Beautiful day here now. It's been raining for the last couple of days, and hopefully it holds off for the weekend, and we can actually enjoy a nice car show. So anyways, here's the Viper. We just got a little bit disconnecting the battery tender, and then we're good to go. There she is in all of her prime. Big 8.4 liter V10. Lucky battery tender to keep her starting good. All right, and here we go. Again when we get to Mike's house. Alright guys, on the way to Mike's, I decided, well, should probably at least clean up the car a little bit before going to a car show, so give it a quick little hose down. Now we're off again. little better. Guess Mike's not home, so it looks like I'm just gonna head over to the show and see who's around anyhow. So we'll get his Challenger in another video. If he might show up over here too. We'll definitely hear him if he does. But anyways, we're gonna head over to the car show now and see what all is around. But no more shutting you guys off. And I drove my bike, so we swung around right quick. Now we're gonna go catch up with them. Mike's Challenger. We'll have a quick look at it here in a second. All right, so here's Mike's Challenger.
Phone's broken. I was gonna try to get a hold of you, but I was at the gym.
Yeah, see, one of those guys that just constantly goes to the gym, comes up with every excuse on why he can't make it to a car show. But yeah, so here's Mike's Challenger with the two-piece CCWs that I was talking about, and looks really good for something that's 10 years old. Now, hopefully he can hurry up and we can go to action. Okay guys, so we're finally leaving. Starting to get a little bit of rain, but hopefully that doesn't send everyone home. Guys, Mike's an absolute animal, so I had to shut it off just to even try and keep up with him. close here now. And anyways, hopefully he'll tramp on it between now and when we get there. Guess so. My fault. Oh, it's your fault.
Not an old Dodge. That's such a flow.
Sad.
Well, Megan, all right.
This is from around Moncton too. Oh, right on. So one thing about living in the Maritimes, it's a lot of muscle cars, not so many exotics, but we got a nice little F430. Lots of Corvettes, lots of old muscle cars in the Maritimes. Isn't there, Mike?
Yeah, too many.
You're late. I know. Is that planned? No. So this is what the car looks like. I picked it up like this on here. So it's just a stock. That model, that's the model.
Yep, I drove 18 hours to go get it because
We do get a few cool builds.
there's not one spot of the rest.
That's good. I saw you dedicated.
Hey, there's Max.
Yourself a weapon too?
Oh yeah.
Hey man, how's it going? Not too bad, you? Not too bad.
The
wetter kind of. I washed it, dried it, I sprayed it when I got here.
Did you bring it here?
Oh yeah. It's the bottom 50 is what it's called. Building tender.
Oh, okay.
Right beside the Cobalt with the light around the way?
Yeah, probably something
Oh,
like
I
that.
see it. I see the fender.
Yes,
I didn't
correct.
see the bumper.
Shines a little more than the other ones on the wall. Oh, God. But yeah, after all that work, and then we got a good little rainfall there.
We're gonna start to mildew with all this rain.
The golf course is in horrible shape.
I can imagine.
Like, it's bad there. Like, I hit Maplewood there last week, and it had been.
Yep.
I'm Cleveland. I'm Bill, by the way. How you doing?
Tyler, nice to meet you.
You too. I got the blue Dodge across the street.
All right, on.